Yo, what up YouTube? It is your boy Donnn here today, man. And today I'm here with an early Black Friday Cyber Monday gift from Hooke Road, and it actually is a hard top removal lift cart. Yeah. And if y'all see my previous videos, man, y'all know I've been struggling trying to get that hard top off that Jeep with just one person, y'all. But it looked like Hooke Road has finally came up with a solution for your boy Donnn, man. So I'm super excited to unbox this and give it a review, guys. We ain't gonna waste no time, man. I'm so excited to see if this lift cart can actually, you know what I'm saying, do it by itself, y'all know, because in my previous videos, it's always me and probably two other people, y'all. So let's see what it can do, man. Let's go ahead and unbox this. All right, y'all, we done unboxed it here. And it looks like it's packaged up pretty good. So this tells me that it's gonna be a lot of putting together. So let's see if it's gonna be difficult or not. Got the manual right here. So let's check it out. All right, y'all, I got everything here unboxed. Good thing about it, they got it kind of numbered for you. Like 1, see, 2, 3. I go over here to the other side. I'm gonna just use this little spot right here as the building area. You got 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. So that's a good thing that it's numbered and all, y'all. So maybe that'll make the process a little easier. Right now it is about, what time is it? It is 1:32 right now, y'all. So I'm gonna kind of time this, see how long it takes to give y'all a good little estimate of how long it would take you to put this together once you buy it, y'all, because I know y'all gonna get it. This product has to be bought, y'all. It's like going to be a life changer, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So stay tuned and just watch along, man. Here we go. All right, y'all, I just cracked open one wheel, and from the looks of this wheel, y'all, this is a pretty sturdy product. This is a nice thick ass wheel. You know, usually with these little spin wheel things, you get the little scrawny wheels, but this is a thick ass wheel for some off-roading, seem like, when it's just for a stand, y'all. So that's a good sign that this might be a sturdy product, y'all. But let's get back into the process. Also, y'all seen I poured out the drill, so I'm finna try to make this process go a little faster. So let's get to it. Started. All right, y'all, we got the wheels on. See here? Pretty mold. Pretty good. Let's get on to the next step. All right, y'all, so on this pole right here, you got adjustable sections. So you can go like here. You got like 1, 2, 3, 4 sections you can adjust to, I'm assuming. But I'm just gonna rock with probably the highest because you know my truck is lifted. So I'm gonna go here. It comes with like a little pin and key. So you just pop it in there. Pretty cool there. I'm gonna do that for the other side as well. Put that in. There you got it. All right, y'all. Look like we almost at the end. I ain't gonna lie, this process it's kind of difficult a little bit. The instructions are kind of hard to follow, but that's why I'm making this video now, y'all, so y'all can kind of keep up with what I'm doing and y'all can see how and visualize how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish out, y'all. Alright, y'all, just the finishing product right here. Got it all put together. Seemed like this a decent height for my truck, y'all, because you see I got the 6-inch lift there. Assembly wasn't too bad. It took me like 2 hours almost. But this is kind of like this here, the braking system kind of gave me a little bit of issues, y'all. But it's kind of just like riding a bike. You understand it once you get to it. But let's go ahead and see, put it to the test. So we're pulling it back right now, y'all, to see if this height will work. This is actually a good little height. Push it up, push it in. So also, y'all, when you come close, you see here, they got the brake, like the safety. So if I pull it once, it'll lock into that latch. So that's what'll hold the top in place. So let's see if it's gonna be sturdy enough to lock it in place. So I'm gonna go back down to stock height. Push that in. All right, y'all, so I got it to the adjusted height. Now I gotta take all the bolts out. So let me do that real quick. That'd be like the last step before we test this thing out. So let's do it. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Let's see if Hooke Roll is gonna withstand the challenge and change my life right here. Come on to the side, bro. So you slide it up, get it up under there. And I took them 2 arms off in the front, y'all, because lock the wheels. So see how it's not moving now. Not moving at all, but I took them 2 arms off up front because it's kind of bumping into my roll cage right there. Right here. So let's see what this does. You recording that? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, y'all, see, so y'all, it lift up. It's pretty sturdy. I still got the brake on right now, so it's not moving at all. But you come around, and it definitely did lift. Yeah. All right, y'all, taking the brake off. Still locked in place. Only problem I ran into with it is just these arms. Trying to get it up under here. It might be because I got it too high, but I don't think that's the issue. I might just have to adjust these a little bit more, y'all, but I kind of didn't have time to do it. So I just stuck them on after I got the top up, because really, whenever I used to lift the top up on my own, I kind of lift from the back anyway. So once I got it up, you can just slide these in for more support. But like I said, this was the only issue I ran into. Other than that, it's pretty good, y'all. Y'all see it standing on its own. So if I was in the garage or so, I literally would just drive out of here and just leave this here. It's pretty sturdy, y'all, because I'm shaking it here. And you see, it's not falling or anything. And I was able to roll it with the wheels. With the wheels. I was able to roll it with the wheels, you know. So overall, it's pretty good. Now that we got it off, we've seen it work. Good product. Like I said, sturdy, mobile. Now we're gonna slide it back on, y'all. After that, I'll give y'all, I'm gonna rate this product for you guys. So let me put this back on real quick. All right. All right, y'all. So Hooke Road came through, man. This is a true lifesaver, man. It went from me breaking my back to moving a couple of fingers and having my top off my Jeep, man. So with that being said, I gotta rate this item a 9 out of 10, man. Only thing I didn't like was the bars. I'm still trying to figure that out, which you don't necessarily need them, but they do help for more support. You know what I mean? So Hooke Road definitely passed the test, and yes, it made a difference, man. So make sure y'all check this out for the Black Friday cyber sale, y'all. These will be on sale. Make sure y'all click the link below. And I think they might be having an early Black Friday sale, y'all, but be sure to check it out. Link below. Once again, shout out to Hooke Road, man. Appreciate it for giving me the opportunity to review y'all product, man. Really appreciate it. Make sure y'all stay tuned for more videos, man. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we out of here.